Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 26th, Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. So, Palantir closed up 70 cents. That's quite good, up 3%. Closed at 24.11. Post-market just down 5 cents. Not even worth mentioning this. So look at this here. So we are having a nice green candle with a bigger wick at the bottom, a smaller wick at the top. So it shows that there's a little bit of push for the stock to go higher. So this is the kind of push that we had today. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So the 1 hour chart started here at 9:30, so on the 26th. And remember, on Friday we had this nice congestion zone. So basically the stock started at the bottom here, went to the resistance, support, resistance, and then got stuck on the resistance. Got stuck there with the volatility. The height of the candles were smaller, so it means that people did not want to go higher and did not want to go lower, so they were really stuck there. And then boom, this morning we had this great this okay green candle, and so we broke over this resistance that we had at 23.43. I'm going to remove it. It was just an intraday resistance. So we broke above it, boom, and then stayed still and then went even higher. So nothing bad to say about this stock. If we look at other intraday resistance, you can see here that we have a resistance. Let me grab this. You can see here, boom, at 24.06 approximately. So we had around April 9th, we had this stock try to reach above 24.06. Could not. Did a little bit, then went down, then tried it again, went back up. So this resistance is doing something. And this is where we are at now. So there are no coincidences. So we closed higher, closed lower, and now we are closed right on it. So so that's the resistance that's into play. Aside from that, do we see other resistance in the future? So maybe another one here at 24.54. If you look at the past, you see that we touched this as resistance, support, resistance. So maybe another resistance here. And there's also the resistance that we have here, the diagonal resistance that we have also here. I'm going to go back to the daily chart. So yeah, we have also this resistance here. And let me just try something else on the fly here. This is unrehearsed. Maybe we have something like this too going on. So many lines, so many possibilities. So yeah, I think this is quite interesting actually. I'm gonna remove I'm going to remove other lines just to try to make it clearer. I'm going to remove this one here. So yes, so basically we are in a small uptrend here, and we have to beat this. So this is a more local resistance here that touches these two tops. And let's hope that the stock goes above 24.69 tomorrow and reaches 27. It would be nice if it would reach 27. Let's look at the indicators. So we are now, stochastic is now over 50. So I can now switch this back to a green thumb. So that's always a good news to see this. We have our MACD, which is still positive. It still crossed over. the two lines are still negative in themselves, but they are getting closer to the positive here. So when the two lines cross over the zero, it means that we are now officially in an uptrend, and this will coincide also with the DMI, I think. So the DMI is getting even closer together. Look at this. They are almost touching. The green line is at 22, 21, and the red line is at 23. So very, very close before we have this third green thumb. So basically a good day for Palantir. We have this resistance here that I should put in red just to keep things consistent. So we have this resistance, which is a more local resistance. You know, it only started around March 15th. So I should not give this one as much weight as the others. So I'm going to put it a little bit lighter. The big resistance is really here at 27. So it would be great if we would go up to 27, then stay there a little bit, and then break out and who knows, reach new highs. So we have the earnings that are going to be announced May 13th. So sometimes we see a run up in the stock before the earnings, and sometimes we see just people not knowing what to expect and not doing much before earnings. So we'll see. Thank you very much for watching, and a lot of ings. Subscribing, liking, commenting, Patreoning, Discording. We are going to talk tomorrow after 4 o'clock, and I'm going to wish you a great evening and tell you à la prochaine.